Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video I'm going to show you this beautiful braided curly wig. It's in color 133, so I make it in different colors. If you want it in plain black or any other color, just let me know, and you can get this wig from my website global.shana.co.ke. I ship worldwide. Okay, I also have other styles. You can just check them from my website, and then I'll be having a sale soon in November, so just be on the lookout. I'll share the coupon code on my website. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.
Some work in progress, good things go slow. I'm no saint. I fall and you pick me up again. You got your habits, got them too. Just feel like maybe I could lose them.